Have you ever wondered how chicken pilau can taste? This is my first try and I was so proud of myself. It nailed it. So started by the chicken, then added oil. So we allow the chicken to brown, then we continue. So after the chicken has browned to your liking, add lots of onions. Don't be like me. Add lots of onions. And then stir the chicken together with the onions well. Now let's go in with our spices. Started off with salt, then garlic, ginger and turmeric paste. I decided to use the whole turmeric, for no reason, because I had it and I wanted to use it. So for the spices, you can just play along with the spices, use whatever you like. You don't have to necessarily use what I've used. That's what we say here. Then instead of tomato, we are going to use tomato paste. I prefer tomato paste to tomatoes. It gives the food some rich and good flavor. Then I also used the powdered turmeric again, then garam masala, then paprika definitely, and then chicken masala, then curry powder, then cumin seeds, then cloves. For the cloves, if you're using them, just use the minimal amount that you can use. Then stir in your chicken. You see our chicken has started to come together. Look at that. If at some point you feel like the chicken is sticking on the sides of the cooking pot or on the bottom, add a little bit of water and then cover. Don't forget, the piece was just for garnish, just for vibes, and inshallah, nothing more. Then add in your rice, and then before adding water, you mix everything well to ensure that it comes together. But don't mix too much because your rice will start breaking, and we don't want that. Then add water depending on the amount of rice you used, and then don't forget soy sauce. This is the point that I add my soy sauce. Don't ask me why. And then cover together with a foil so that it can cook. Let's wait for the result. Drum rolls, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Just look at that. Then serve and enjoy. See you on the next one. I love you so much.